How many neutrons are in each atom? Well, why stop there? Let's do protons and electrons as well. So when you have a notation written in this format, where X is a symbol, chemical symbol, Z is the atomic number, and A is the mass number, you don't need a periodic table. It gives you everything you need. And if it's an ion, you'll see the charge plus or minus up here. But these are all neutral. So what that tells us is the protons, which are positive, equal the electrons, which are negative, because these are, again, neutral atoms. There are no charges on there. So that's going to cut down some work. All right, let's do A right here. 35 is the atomic number, so we have 35 protons. Bromine always has 35 protons. That's what makes it bromine. Because it's neutral, it also has 35 electrons. And now we've got to have the protons plus the number of neutrons add up to 80, because that's the mass. And the mass is made from most of the masses in the nucleus, which is the protons and the neutrons. 35 plus 45 will give us 80. So there's bromine. Let's go to B, sulfur. Sulfur is always 16. That's what it makes it sulfur. So we have 16 protons. And because it's neutral, we also have 16 electrons. And now the mass, again, is made up of the protons and the neutrons. So that's going to be 16 as well. Moving on. Silver. Silver, 47 protons. That's by the atomic number down there, which they don't even need to write because silver always has 47 protons, and that's what makes it silver. Again, this is neutral, so 47 electrons. Those positives and negatives balance out to create a net neutral atom. Now, when it's not so obvious, you can take the big number, subtract it from the smaller number, which is the mass number minus the atomic number, and then that will also give you the number of neutrons. So that's 8 minus 7 is 1, 10 minus 4 is 6, so 61 neutrons. Finally, over to D, lead. Atomic number tells you the number of protons, 82 protons. These are all neutral atoms, so protons equal electrons. Now the protons and the neutrons make up the mass. Again, let's just do big number minus small number. 7 minus 2 is 5. 20 minus 8 is 12. 125 neutrons.